today it is mail call day. So how do we start our mail call? With our little song. Here we go. It's mail call, it's mail call. Look what I got in the mail today. It's mail call, it's mail call. I'm so happy today. Well, I received 3 things in the mail. So I'm going to leave this one for last because that's a very special one. But the first one I want to show you is, remember when I was trying to look for those laundry basket at the $1.25 store and I couldn't find them? So I was like, why didn't I not think of this ahead of time? Go to their website. So I went, yeah. So I went to their website and look what I found. I brought 12 of these because you have to buy them in cases. You can't just say you want to buy like 2 or 3. You have to buy them in a case. So a case of them comes in a set of 12. So I have 12 of these that is going to be perfect for my black and white garden. So I'm so excited about that. So when I get that black and white garden together, I will take you over there and show you exactly how these look in my black and white garden. So excited because you guys know when Miss Renee says she is on the hunt for something, trust and believe your girl gonna find it. I will look all over the world until I find that item I am searching for. So very happy about this. Good job, $1.25, Dollar Tree. Yeah. And another thing that I ordered, I went through, because it's time for me to get my garlic in the ground. So I wanted to plant a whole lot of garlic because this season, I only planted 2 containers and I went through that garlic like nobody's business when I learned how to do the garlic powder and just cooking with garlic. It went quick. So I went and brought some of this from Pawpaw's Garden Supply. I'm sure you guys have heard about that company, but if you haven't, you need to check it out. They have some really great seeds because that's the company that I brought those strike beans from that Angela from Busy Bee Garden told me about, and because I was on a mission to grow a whole bunch of green beans. So I tried that company. I found that they were a very reputable, good company. So I said, hey, they sell garlic too. So I decided to order my garlic from there. So, oh wow, look at this one. I opened this garlic and it was kind of like, open, and the package is kind of wet. I hope the garlic hasn't mildewed. Whew, smells like garlic. So this particular garlic, because I ordered a whole bunch of hardneck garlic, because that's the type of garlic that grows well for me in my zone 7B, and I decided I was going to get some of this German red heirloom cloves of garlic, and these come in a set of 20. So I'm going to have 20 of these garlic. Let me show you what they look like, and they're pretty good sized garlic. Can you guys see that? Yeah, I have 20 of these that I'm going to be planting, and I also ordered some of these. Whew, they're all open like that. They're just falling out the side, and these are the German white heirloom cloves of garlic, and these are 20 counts of garlic, and these are the bigger garlic. So I cannot wait. I was looking for the elephant garlic that I've seen everybody planting, but I guess this is the close as I can get to some elephant garlic, because I've heard that the bigger the garlic clove is, the bigger your garlic will be. So your girl's gonna try out that theory and see if it works for me over here in my garden. So that's that one. And then I ordered one more. Hopefully these didn't fall out either. Let me see if I can pull it out. I'm trying. It comes all wrapped up like this package and stuff. So I'm trying to see what it is. So oh, they gave me some cauliflower snowball seeds. I guess that was my free packs of seeds. Yeah, this whole package is kind of wet. And this is a count of 25. So there's 25 cauliflower seeds in here. And then the last pack of garlic, and this one is, it's got some molded garlic in here. This one is the, just the regular cloves of garlic. And there's 20 over here. Let me show you the condition of this garlic. That don't look so good. I might have to call them back and let them know that some of the garlic that they sent me, it was molded. Look at that. That's not good. So I'm going to have some questions to be asking customer service when I make that call. Because I'm going to have to go through this garlic and see how many of these moldy garlics that I have in this package right here. See, it wasn't even sealed. See how it looks in there? How the garlic comes in the package. So I'm going to have to like really look through that. Because I can't be paying this money because this was not cheap. And they gave me a coupon for $2 off any order over $10. So I'll go, whoop, that's what it looks like. Don't want to show you too long because it's got my code on there. And you know, I'm always going to find something else to purchase from Pawpaw's Gardening Supply is what it is called. Alright, and I will put down in the description box the website of where you can go and check out this company for yourself. So that is my garlic that I purchased. So I decided that I'm going to use those 2 containers that I have my sweet potatoes in, and then I'm going to do my grow bags that I have. I have 2 green 100-gallon grow bags, and I have that one black one. So trust and believe that this garlic will not go to waste. It is going to get planted, minus the moldy ones. Oh my goodness, I can't believe that they sent me some moldy garlic. Alright now. Alright, so let's talk about the last package that I received. And this one was inspired by Nicole Smith Gardening, because she was out in her garden and she was wearing this cute little hat. And you know, Miss Renee's been on the search for a hat to wear out in the garden, especially when it's really hot, and I don't like the, you know, when the sun is on my neck, it just seems like it's burning the back of my neck so bad. So I saw her wearing this particular hat, and so I asked her nicely, could she please, you know, where she got the hat, and she said, oh, I'll just send you the link if I can find it. So Nicole, I am inspired by you, and I went to Amazon, and I looked on Amazon, and I found the hat. So here's the hat. You know, when you go out in the garden, you know, it's not about being fashionable. It's all about being, hey, I just want to make sure the sun stays off of my head and my neck. So this is the hat. Let me cut the ticket off. So this is the hat that Nicole was sporting. See how it has a wide brim in the front, and it has that flap in the back to keep it off your neck. So let's try this on and see how it looks. It could be like Little House on the Prairie. I know this hat will be perfect for me when I am outside in the garden. And it's got a cute little string here to where I can adjust it and make it tight. I like how it covers my ears, because you know sometimes them bugs and stuff, they just fly into your face. And I love this wide brim. Look at it. And I got blue because I figured it would hide the dirt. So what do you guys think? And it has the flap in the back, so to keep my neck from the sun getting on me, and it'll keep me nice and dry. But Nicole, you did good, girl. So if you guys have not gone and checked out Nicole Smith Gardening, you guys need to get over there, and when you go see her and check out her channel, let her know that Renee from Renee's Garden sent you over to her channel and say hello, and you will not be disappointed, because Nicole has such a wonderful sense of humor. She has such a beautiful spirit, and she is always busy doing something in that garden. And just spending some time with her in her garden, she will always make you laugh. There's not one time I've watched Nicole's video that I was not cracking up about something that girl was doing in her garden. And she's very knowledgeable. And she's one of them women that if she wants something built, she will start it. And then if she has any kind of problems or issues, she will go ask her husband, and he is the sweetest person, because he'll just get on over there and try to help her accomplish whatever job she needs to get done. So go ahead over there, check out Nicole, and you will love, love, love her channel. Alright guys, that's all I have for my mail call today. I am styling and profiling in my new hat, which I am going to be wearing sometime this week, because we are projected to have a whole bunch of rain, and this thing is waterproof as well, which I am loving. And it says, yep, see, it says 100% permanent UV protection. Shield skin from harmful UV rays. And that's what I'm talking about. Alright guys, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I would love for you to join Renee's Gardens family. And don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up, and leave a wonderful comment down and let me know what you are planting in your fall garden. Are you doing garlic? Are you doing sweet potatoes? Are you doing some brassicas, your broccoli, your cauliflower? Let me know what you're doing in your garden, because you know your girl over here is always up to something. Alright guys, have a wonderful day, have a blessed day, and Miss Renee will check you out in the next video. Alright, thanks again, Nicole. You hooked your girl up, and I am very appreciative. Love, love, love this hat, especially this back part. This back is amazing. I can't wait to wear it outside. All because of you, Nicole. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Take care.